Hello, everyone. It's Miss Grundle here with Module 4, Lesson 2 today. And today, our I can statement is I can use my fingers and cubes to make and break groups of 5. All right, let's get started. I'm going to bring up my number bond. So, yesterday, we talked about some people going to a party. Let's do another party problem. There are 4 people at a party. I'm going to show that by putting 4 hearts on my number bond. Remember, this circle at the top, that's all by itself, shows our whole group. So we know that there are 4 people at the party. Now, after a fun night of games and birthday cake, it was time to go home. One person went home, they followed their line to this circle. The other 3 people follow their line down to this circle or this part. I noticed that there are 3, 1, 2, 3 hearts in this circle, and that there is 1 heart in this circle. There are still 4 students because 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of our students are still shown. Now they're just in 2 different parts. Let's draw what happened on our board. So I'm going to switch over to my board. And now I'm going to draw a picture of what happened in our problem. Okay, how many people were at the party at the beginning? There was 4 of them. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are my 4 people at the party. When it was time to go, they broke into 2 groups. I remember that one person was in this circle. How many people went down to this circle? Do you remember? There were 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Let's double check that we still have all 4 people. I'm going to cover that up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our group of 4 people split into a group of 1 and a group of 3. Excellent. Let's try another one. I'm going to go back to my big number bond. Okay. How many people should we have at the party this time? Let's put 3 people at the party. 1, 2, 3. 3 people were at the party. At this party, there was a piñata, and then they had pizza and watched a movie. It was awesome. When the night was up, it was time to go home. 2 went into this circle. Remember, they're going to follow their line. 2 people. Now my last person is going to go down to this circle. All right, what do you notice? Now we have a group of 1 and a group of 2. Let's double check if we still have all 3 people. 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay, let's show this on our board. But this time, instead of drawing the picture, I want to use my cubes. So I'm going to put 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3 cubes. Now, how many people went to the first circle? 2 of them did. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and then 1 down at the bottom. Because we know we started with 3 people. So after we break them into their groups, we still need to have 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I like that with number bonds, I can show and use different things to show my learning. So I've used my cubes and I've used pictures. I know one more way. So I'm going to switch back to our computer. Let's do another problem. All right, how many people are at the party this time? Let's have 5 kids at the party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 kids at the party. Oh, it was a pool party. It was awesome. They had so much fun. But then it was time to go home. 3 kids went home following their line down to the circle. There's 3. So how many have to go down here? 2 more. 1, 2. We now have our 2 groups. What do you notice about our groups? I have 2 and 3. Our 2 and 3 are still the same 5 students that we started with, but now they're just broken into different groups. Okay, so the final way that I know how to show this on a number bond is I'm going to use my fingers. Now these are great math tools because you have them with you all of the time. How many students did we start with in our big circle that shows all of them, the whole thing? We had 5 students, so I'm going to show 5 students right here. Then, how many students went up to the top? There were 3 students. 3 students went home in one group, and our last 2 went home in the other group. So you can see we had 5, and we broke it into a group of 3 and 2. Now, if you don't have a number bond, another way of thinking that is, I had my group of 5, and now 1, 2, 3 went to one group. So here's my group of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2 in my other group. I have 3 and 2, and it still makes 5. All right, now it's time for you to try. You are going to do the lesson 2 problem set. You are going to show different ways to represent the information. That means different ways to show the information. When you're done, you can share this with your teacher. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you all later for some more math. Bye-bye.